properties of metals are: the chemistry of metal is studied by analyzing their reactions with water, dilute, acid, and oxygen. Based on these reactions, a reactivity series of metals can be produced. So, reactivity with water. Some metals react with water either warm or cold or with steam. Metals that react with cold water form a metal hydroxide and hydrogen gas. Metals that react with steam form metal oxides and hydrogen gas. So, reactivity with acids. Most metals react with dilute acids such as HCl. When acids and metals react, the hydrogen atom in the acid is replaced by the metal atom to produce a salt and hydrogen gas. Reactivity with oxygen. So, unreactive metals such as gold and copper do not react with acids. Some reactive metals, such as the alkali metals, react with oxygen. Copper and iron can also react with oxygen, although much slower. So, when metals react with oxygen, a metal oxide is formed, for example, copper.